Alright guys, in today's video I got a small package. Anyways, let me go ahead and get this thing open. God damn it, last one pop. Are you fucking kidding me? It's not gonna bubble. There we go. Okay, so first thing we got is some DVDs. This is not related to the mask inside. And here we have more of this stuff. Okay, so inside we got a latex Jordison Slipknot mask. I believe this is the All Hope Is Gone era. I kind of got out of Slipknot stuff, so I'm kind of fuzzy on it. But I bought this from my good friend Daniel Perez. Yeah, mask got good detail and shit on it. I want to cut the camera real quick. I want to try this bitch on. Alright, so I got the mask on and it fits really well. It's got these little foam pads on the inside, so it's really, really comfortable to wear. I'm going to take it off real quick and let you guys get a closer look at it. Here's a closer look at the mask. Alright guys, so that about does it for this unboxing. I know it was a short video, but who cares? I have no idea who made this thing, by the way, so sorry. It's made by somebody, I know that. Don't really know what else to say. I love the mask. It's got good detail on it. Painted really well. Not really planning on wearing it, but you know, it fits well if I did want to wear it. I'm going to display this with the rest of my Slipknot stuff. I don't have a big Slipknot collection, but I do plan on getting more Slipknot related masks. Eventually, I don't know when, but eventually I will be getting more Slipknot stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll have more unboxings coming out eventually. I've kind of taken a break from masks. I'm focusing on other hobbies of mine, but it doesn't mean I've given up on masks. I'll be getting into masks more eventually, probably around Halloween time maybe. We'll see. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.